Greetings and salutations! I'm back by popular demand, and this time I'm showing you how to do Bantu knots on your own natural hair. Today I will be using the Blue Magic Castor Oil Hair Grease and Aunt Jackie's Curling Cream, just as I have done this entire quarantine, because I still have not gotten to the hair shop yet. Anyways, hope it helps, hope you enjoy, hit that notification bell and quit trying to avoid. Like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to share.
Bye. You win.
Grab your hair and begin twisting it around. Once you get about halfway down, start to twirl it around your finger in the same direction. Now we're going to begin wrapping it around. Bring your hair up and twirl it around your finger so the root bends into place. Hold it in position with the other hand, and then wrap the rest of it around that little bump. Hold it in place again, twirl it around your finger, and then wrap it around the rest of the knot. Hold it in place and repeat this process until you run out of hair to wrap around. Take a piece of hair, grab it, and begin to twist it around. Once you get halfway down, begin twirling your hair around your finger in the same direction. Bring your hair up to create a little bump at the root. Hold that into place. Twirl the rest of it around your finger and then wrap it around. Twirl it around your finger, wrap it around. Hold the knot in place, make sure you're doing that. And keep wrapping it around until you run out of hair. Grab your piece of hair. Begin twisting it. Twirl it round your finger. Bring it up and bend the root. Hold it in place. Twirl it around your finger. And wrap it round. Twirl it around your finger. And wrap it around. Twirl around the finger. Wrap it around.